Alright, here we go. Doing the 2x-flower with 7mm-08 in American Whitetail by Hornady. This is shooting a 2x6 board and with the flower behind it, our flower in front of it, then it hits the board, then we catch the bullet, and we're going to see what we got from there. Shooting at about 50 yards. Alright, here we go. Going to do the 2x-flower with the 7mm-08 Hornady American Whitetail, about 50-ish yards, hitting the flower, hitting the 2x4, 2x6, and then catching it with the wider jug or hopefully the denim jeans. Hopefully. Alright, see what we got. There. Nut cases out there. Alright, here we go. We nipped the flower barely. Second with the Smoky Oak range, universal range repair kit. Blew up the wire jug. Took a good chunk out the 2x4. I mean, damn, we barely got that one. Went through. Let's see. Went down low. Got bullet charge. I hope it didn't fall down crack. Got fragments of the bullet so far. Alright, here we go. Got the 2x-flower, went a little low. Didn't really catch nothing. The bullet went in the crack. That's all that we got left of it. Not enough to mount to anything. But we can give you how big the hole is. 2.8 bullet. There's a .68 hole. Not too snabby. See the flower going in, a little destruction going out. Barely nicked it, so not a whole lot to say here, but like I said, that is a good solid hole right there. Swing, and there you go, and that is it to the 2x-flower. So it actually hit the flower, nailed through the board, and still kept trucking. So that's pretty good. Got some power behind it. So y'all take care. Thanks for watching.